Lay Low. It's choreographed by Darren Bailey. It is a 32 count, 4-wall improver level line dance with a restart on wall 4 after 16 counts and a tag before you start wall 10. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about where that restart happens and what the tag is. We're then going to go around and dance 10 walls of the dance so that you can practice how it all flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Lay Low. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to rock our right foot to the right side and recover onto your left. And as you do it, I want you to slightly do it as more of a pivot, and you want to slightly angle your hips to the left. We're now going to do a crossing shuffle right over left, step our right over left, left to the side, right over left. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with our left foot, and a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping our right foot to the right side to face 6 o'clock. You're now going to do a crossing shuffle left over right, cross left over right, right side, left over right. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're rocking our right foot to the side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to step our right foot to the right side and we're going to touch our left foot next to our right. This is going to slightly angle you off-centered from the 6 o'clock wall. We're now going to do a kick ball cross. We're going to kick that left foot forward into the diagonal, step your left next to your right, and cross your right over your left. We're now going to rock our left foot to the left side, which is going to square us back up to 6 o'clock. And you're going to recover. I want you to use this kind of as a prep for your half sailor that comes next. So we rock, you recover onto your right foot, and now we're going to do a half sailor over our left shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn, stepping back with your left foot, make another quarter turn over your left foot, stepping your right foot to the side, and then we're going to cross our left over our right. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is left over right, facing 6 o'clock. You're going to step your right foot to the side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do a step lock. We're going to step our right foot to the right side. We're going to bring our left foot in and behind our right. You're going to slightly pop your right knee up. You're now going to do a quarter chassé, stepping your right foot to the side, left foot together, making a quarter turn over your right shoulder, step forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. You're now going to step forward with your left. You're going to do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to continue that turn over our right shoulder, doing a half shuffle back. We're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping your left foot to the side, step your right foot next to your left. You're going to make another quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left to face 3 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. When we're facing 12 o'clock with our left crossed over our right, you're doing your step lock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to step back with our right, and as we step back with the right, we're going to pop our left knee forward. We're going to step back with the left and pop our right knee forward. We're going to do a right coaster step, stepping right back, left together, right forward. We're going to cross rock our left over our right, recover onto your right foot, and we're going to do a scissor step, stepping our left foot to the side, bring your right foot in and next to your left, taking weight onto your right foot, and cross your left over your right. And that is the end of the dance. So now let's try it with some counts. We would have just done our shuffle back. Weight is on our left foot. You're stepping back and popping that knee. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're rocking your right foot to the side. Side rock, recover, crossing shuffle, quarter back, quarter side, crossing shuffle, step, touch, kick ball, cross side or rock, recover, half sailor, cross, step, lock, and pop, quarter chassé, step, half pivot, half shuffle, back, back pop, coaster step, cross rock, recover, scissor, cross. Let's try it with some counts. Weight's on your left foot. You're rocking that right foot to the side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And now that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restart. The restart's going to be on wall 4, which is your 9 o'clock facing wall. You're going to dance the first 16 counts, which is up to your sailor cross. You will return to face 9 o'clock after that sailor cross and restart the dance, making it wall 5. So let's dance up to that part. You're doing your side rock, crossing shuffle with the right. Side rock, crossing shuffle, quarter back, quarter side, crossing shuffle, step, touch, kick ball, cross, side rock, recover, half, sailor, cross. At this point, you're going to restart the dance, doing wall 5 facing 9 o'clock, side rock, crossing shuffle. You will dance all the walls up until the end of wall 9. So wall 9, you'll be facing 12 o'clock when you do your scissor cross. All you're going to add is snaps. So you'll be here, you'll do your scissor cross, you're going to start up at the top, and you're going to slowly snap your hand, bringing it down to your hip. Snap, 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 snap. So you want to think 12 o'clock, like 1:30, 3 o'clock, and then like 6. So you want to just kind of go all the way around like a clock arm, down to the bottom, and then you will start the dance all over again. So let's do that tag with some counts. We're just snapping. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you would start the dance all over again, doing wall 10. So now we're going to go around, we're going to dance 10 walls of the dance. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls will do counts. We're going to dance through both the restart and the tag, just so you know how everything happens. Weight is starting on your left foot. You're starting with your side rock. Side rock, recover, crossing shuffle, quarter back, quarter side, crossing shuffle, step, touch, kick ball, cross side rock, recover, half sailor, cross, step, lock, quarter chasse, step, half pivot, half shuffle, back, pop, coaster, step, cross rock, recover, scissor, cross, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Side rock, crossing shuffle, quarter back, quarter side, crossing shuffle, step, touch, kick ball, cross side rock, recover, half sailor, cross step, lock, and quarter chasse, step, half pivot, half shuffle, back, pop, coaster, step, cross rock, recover, scissor, cross, 16 counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Restart for wall 5. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Side rock, crossing shuffle, quarter back, quarter side, crossing shuffle. Step, touch, kick ball, cross side rock, recover, half sailor, cross. Step, lock in, quarter chasse, step, half pivot, half shuffle, back, pop, coaster, step, cross rock, recover, scissor, cross. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Side rock, crossing shuffle, quarter back, quarter side, crossing shuffle. Step, touch, kick ball, cross side rock, recover, half sailor, step, lock and quarter chasse, step, half pivot, half shuffle, back, pop, coaster, step, cross rock, recover, scissor, cross. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Do your tag. Snap, 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 side, rock, recover. Crossing shuffle, quarter back, quarter side, crossing shuffle, step, touch. Kickball cross, side, rock, recover, half sailor cross. Step, lock, in your quarter chasse, step, half pivot, half shuffle, back pop, coaster step, cross, rock, recover, and your scissor cross. And then you will keep dancing the rest of the way through without worrying about anything. Now, I hope this helps you learn lay low. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.